This video will show you how to create part 2 in your activity 1.2.4 dimensioning assignment. Again, you have the dimension drawing in the lower right there. You'll notice that I have a new tab here that I've created it in. Previously, we made Part Studio 1. So to get this other Part Studio, make sure that you hit Insert New Element and then Create Part Studio, and you'll have a second tab down here. So let's start this one by clicking on the front view again, and then clicking Sketch. And then I'm going to click the front of the view cube to switch our view to look straight at it. And then I'm going to hit the P key on the keyboard to hide all of our planes. Okay, and I'm going to start with a square by drawing a square. So go to your center point rectangle and then click on the origin. And then if you notice from the front view, it is 3 inches wide by 3 inches tall. Okay, and then we'll finish that. And then I'm going to click on this, and then we will extrude it. And I'm going to extrude it the total depth of the part, which is 1.5 inches. So you notice this is at 1 right now, so let's change that to 1.5. Hit the green check mark. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the larger cutout. So I'm going to click on the front view, click Sketch. And then we will use the corner rectangle next. So I'm going to go to the corner rectangle. Then I'm going to go from the top right point of our square. And then I'm going to just kind of draw a line down a little bit. And if you notice, the larger cutout is actually 2 inches by 2 inches. So I'm going to enter in 2 by 2 and hit enter. So that's going to form the outline of our first cutout here. And then I'm going to hit the green check mark. And then we're going to extrude this in next. So go up to our extrude tool, click remove, and that is going to go a distance of 0.75. So we just need to change this from 1 to 0.75. Just kind of rotate it to visually check it and hit the green check mark. Okay, next, to make our last cutout, we're going to make a sketch on this face right here. So click Sketch, and then I'm going to hit Front, so we're looking straight at it. And we're going to do the same thing we just did. I'm going to click our corner rectangle tool. Then we're going to go from the top right and just kind of draw a corner off here. And this one is 1 by 1, so 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, we'll finish this sketch. And then we will extrude this all the way through. So we're going to go up to Extrude. Make sure you select remove. And then I'm just going to select through all and hit the green check mark. All right, and with that, you now have part 2 complete.